everyone! Our group was looking into the text Finding the Heart of Nonfiction. Our book started off talking about what a mentor text is, which is something that we've kind of delved into for our own course. A mentor text is a book that students can read, meaning that they can comprehend all of the information or most of the information in the book, but it's also a book that they relate to. It's something that they share an interest or view with the author, and they can see themselves in the text. Mentor texts are also used as exemplars, just meaning that they're really good examples of the craft of writing. These authors are really showing what students can do with their ideas. Mentor texts also help writers see new ways of writing that they want to try in their own writer's notebook and just test things out to become more knowledgeable writers. In choosing a mentor text, you always want variety. So you want to show students different authors, so giving them a look into different backgrounds, different cultures, and different styles of writing from different people. You want to have a variety of language that is used. So is it figurative? Is it really informational and factual? And how do these different types of writing impact the story or the text? You also want different topics, which is kind of self-explanatory. You want to have books not just about one thing. You want a variety of texts that students have access to so they can read about what they're interested in, and that's going to make them want to be more avid readers, and it's also going to be reflected in their writing when they can show what they're excited about and what inspires them through their own work. And then lastly, just having a lot of different genres, because that's going to show students that you don't have to write one way. You can write fantasy, you can write about history, you can write nonfiction. And having mentor texts that show that are just going to broaden the examples that students can build off of in their own work. So here we have a try it from our text. This is a paper that is provided in this textbook for students to use in the classroom, and it's an activity in which they're looking at a book of their own choice, potentially to start off with, and finding text features inside of it that show good writing. And so what this is doing for students is they're critically thinking while they're reading and finding examples within their text. And it's also allowing them to have an opportunity to put this in their own writing and to practice it. And it just gives all the students the opportunity to do it with a text they want to be reading. So when you introduce it potentially with a nonfiction text, it's an activity that they don't have negative feelings towards, like times tables and math or something.